Here,
Yeah.
the first thing I do is lift it all the way up so you see it less. Yeah,
Is this
it's
the
all
same
the way up
sample?
now. Exactly the same sample. Here's the tip.
Right,
Yeah, sometimes you can blame the tools. So yeah,
Blame the what?
the
Oh,
tools.
okay.
Okay, so you're gradually moving it down. Keep the gain low. You can still see a bit of noise. Maybe I bring it down to 1.5. Yep, it's slightly less noisy, but this is good. This is good. This is good. This is pretty alright actually.
Why did you stick with 1.5 for the gain? Why not higher, lower?
You just look at the, okay, if I
Matching?
go into 2,
Yeah.
you start to see spikes. When you start to see spikes, then that's no good. Okay?
Okay.
It's affect the quality of your image.
Hmm.
Yeah, so
If you go to say
Yeah.
0.5, what would happen?
yeah, you can go to 0.5. Yeah. It's probably still okay.
So is it just the one spike that?
1 or 2 spikes. It really depends how good do you want it to be, really. So, but normally, as a guideline, the P gain should be higher than the I gain. Okay.
Well, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So you can just change the scale if it's a bit too far. So I change to 150.
What are the two things proportional in?
It's just the feedback.
Okay, right.
Like
Yeah,
a PID
so,
controller or
yeah,
something.
yeah. It's a PID controller feedback.
Maybe it's a PI. There's
Yeah,
no D.
I don't totally fully understand this,
Yeah, no.
but what I need to know is if I set the gain too high, you just saturate the signal and you just start to see noises appears around. So I can lower this. Yeah. But if you lower the gain too much, it's not going to trace its corners.
Right. I see.
So yeah, so that's what you normally do. You lower the set point and gradually increase the gain or lower the gain until this kind of corner matches as well. So this look pretty okay, right? So just remember 300 again. Okay, yeah.
If you're changing the sample, would you have to keep changing these values?
Yes. This is the thing about AFM. I can't tell you stick with this and
Yeah.
you get good image. No, every sample is different. Every you know it. You know it. You know it. Yeah. So you pay ages to play. Yeah. That's a student used to be in our office. He spent the evening setting this up, and then when everyone goes home, he leaves this scan for 5 or 6 hours in the evening, and he does it days in, days out. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, and he's now a banker. Film this,
No, but that's fine. It's just it won't be broadcast. But
yeah, that's what this machine does to you. Okay, so when you're happy about this, roughly, so let's get tools, acquire, real time. You can set which folder is it going into. Is it options? Mark, which setting is to choose the folder where your data set it in? Is it options?
If you, on the right hand side,
Yep. But I think we
click on
did it
the-
here.
that little. Is it on there?
No, not this one.
It's
Oh, capture file name. Yep. Okay. Real time capture file name. Okay. So it's in decapture at the moment. So all your images will capture will be on this folder here. So decapture. Okay. Thanks, Mark. Okay. Or yeah, you can change the directory, but this is just for display. So when you're happy with it, so at this moment, if you look at this, it captures off. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to, so it just keeps scanning without saving. Okay. If you want to save it, scan it from either from the top again or from the bottom. Okay. Wait until it start scan again, and then click this camera capture.
Right.
Okay. and then this go from off to on. Okay, it means it's now been. After it scanned the full image, it will save it and it will
Yeah.
display it to here. Okay, and it will have a timestamp. So it says 07 July 12. That's yesterday, and that's the time 11:31. Yeah. And at this stage, you can watching it scan, do other stuff, whatever, and come back hopefully. Yeah.
Sure.
So yeah.
Does it show how much time it will take, or do you?
Not this one, but that one does. Yeah. Mhm.
Calculate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that-
So with the speed and
Mm.
how many lines?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
512, 5 micron. So yeah, maybe about so you do it at 1 hertz, maybe roughly 1 second per micron line, roughly. So maybe yeah. Actually, let me think. So 512, so 5 microns, so 100.
What does this
Yeah.
the scan rate mean
Say
exactly?
Maybe 3 or 4 minutes. It's how fast.
So one
moving.
line. So
Yeah.
it's for one line.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, one.
So if we say 1 hertz,
Yeah.
we say for one line, 5 micron line,
Yeah, 5 lines is.
5
Once-
seconds? No, that doesn't sound right.
Yeah, it's 1 second, and then they move it to the 512. Yeah, I think roughly about 512
Mm.
seconds. That's about 8 minutes, I think. Roughly. Yeah. So. Yeah. And you see, this is probably what you should expect. Okay. Yeah. You can pause this until it's
Yeah.
towards the end, and then you can see the whole image. Save you time.